Hey, Dean with NFI Empire here. We're going to do a quick review on Fabtech's Dirt Logic Reservoir Shocks. This is a product that we have personally tested. We have actually installed on a vehicle, launched the vehicle, actually got the tires off the ground. This shock absorbed it, just kept on rolling. Some of the things I absolutely love about the Dirt Logics: stainless steel body, 305 stainless steel. Aluminum reservoir really helps on preventing corrosion, especially in areas with, salt, snow, areas like ours. Some of the other benefits: nitro steel. It's actually hardened to prevent bending, prevent wear. Interior-wise, they have a baffle that will separate the gas from the liquid, prevents any emulsification of it, which will allow better travel, better absorption. Probably one of my favorite features though, if you are a true off-road enthusiast, you like to actually take your vehicles into the rough terrain, they're 100% rebuildable. If by chance you blow one out, you have an issue with it, send it into Fabtech, they will completely rebuild it for you, send it back, you're right back on the road without having to replace the entire suspension system. Some of the benefits with the reservoir keeps the fluid at a much cooler temperature than constantly riding inside with the piston going in and out. Keeps it at a cooler temperature, therefore maintaining proper ride, proper travel of the piston. Guys, I have to say, this is an amazing product. If you're interested and you're a true off-road enthusiast, I would consider the Dirt Logics. Give us a call, we can install them for you. 814-746-4213. Or check out some of our previous projects at nfiempire.com.